Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash, I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is the hourly chart of gold in front of us. As we all know, gold has been crazy and very difficult to trade recently. Usually Mondays are silent, Mondays are low volatile, but yesterday was different. We got a lot of action yesterday, and sadly many of you lost your accounts as well. Okay, because of the unexpected volatility. The biggest question was why gold was not going up, because whenever a crisis comes out, then obviously gold is bullish. But when the war between Israel and Iran was going on, market was not going up. That was a big shock. Experts believe that the tension in the Middle East has been going on for quite some time, so gold did not respond. And many believe that if any other country took part, then obviously gold would respond. But when US dropped bombs on Iran, then also we did not see any proper response from gold. But yesterday at one point, we believe that gold is going above 3400. There was a gap up opening, and after the gap up opening there was a severe profit booking on gold, but gold also recovered, and we believe that gold is finally going above 3400. Market failed, market failed, and market showed retracement. Then the news of ceasefire came out, and this is the result. You can see right now gold is trading below 3350. If you're wondering what is going on gold right now, then you can see gold falls after Trump says Israel-Iran agree to ceasefire. Gold slides on Israel-Iran ceasefire. If you want to know more, you can just go to Google and type Israel-Iran ceasefire. You'll find tons of articles, where US President Donald Trump has intervened, and he has taken steps for the ceasefire. Hope, peace comes to the world again. But the problem is that, Donald Trump has announced in his Twitter account that ceasefire has been declared and now, but the problem is that both the official authorities from Israel and Iran, they have not confirmed it yet. There is no official confirmation yet. As a result, we can see that gold is still not responding properly. So time will speak. If you have any ongoing position right now, especially if you're on the sell side, you can hold your sell position, because any confirmation from Israel or Iran, will lead gold towards the downside. And if you have any buy right now, then you can hold your buy position. But if gold breaks this blue box, or if gold breaks 3340 area, then please exit, because market may go down further. And if you are a beginner, new trader, then you must be finding it very difficult to trade right now. Then obviously this is not the right time to trade, because see, I do not want you guys to lose money randomly, blindly, because you'll find lots of opportunities when the market is stable. If you are looking for a stable chart, then you can look for opportunities outside gold. But gold, oil, these are not very stable right now. So my dear friends, if you have any sell, you can hold your sell position, and if you have a buy, hold your buy, but with your stop loss below 3340. If market breaks this particular zone, then gold may go down further. And if you're looking for new position in the market, then just keep in mind that gold is under pressure. Yes, gold is under pressure. You have seen the articles, but technically we can see that gold is still trading inside the range. We cannot deny it, because the market structure is still not bearish or bullish, because we can see the market structure, the overall market structure is still very much sideways. But as gold has formed a lower high here, so there is a possibility that we may see gold going down from here. Because of this uncertainty, or in simple words, if gold stays like this, then obviously it will be dangerous to trade. But still you can stick to the levels. Do not expect any direction unless you see some big candles. Unless you see some big candles, do not keep in mind that gold may remain choppy. So during the day, if you see gold is going down, okay, gold is under pressure, okay, then observe this situation. If you see a big red candle, then obviously it's better to be on the sell side, forget about the buys. But if market stays like this, okay, then you can expect the next support levels to work. For example, we have a support around 2320. Around this area, market has taken support previously. So if market takes support around this 332023 area, you can look for a buy position. Then we also have a support around 330206. So these are the two levels on the chart of gold where you can look for a buy position as a day trader if the selling pressure is not very high. And if you have any sell right now, you can hold your sell position and keep in touch with the news. Though US President Donald Trump has announced that there is a ceasefire, but the official authorities have not confirmed yet. Maybe during the European session or US session we will get to know more, but as of now, we only have one confirmation, that is from US President Donald Trump. And if market goes up from here, chances are less, but this is gold. Gold is unpredictable, gold is crazy, and gold is not for high blood pressure patients and also heart patients. So if gold goes up from here, surprisingly, then we can look for a sell opportunity around 3367, 3382, 3382, because the gap will be filled. So there is a possibility, and around 338283 area we have the 200 moving average. But keep in mind, these are super high risk SHR, super high risk sell opportunity. So if market hits the level, observe the market. If you're experienced scalper, then only look for 30 to 40 pips. Beginner, forget. I talked about 3382 3367. And nothing to say about 3400 3390. This is a dangerous level. I'm out of vocabulary, out of words. So it's better to observe the market right now, stay in touch with the news, and give rest to your brain and to the market. If anything crazy happens or if any new information comes out, then I will update in the Telegram community. If you're still not a part of the Telegram community, please join. The link will be in the description. You can see it in the morning. I posted many stuff. So feel free to join if you're still not a part of the free Telegram community and the group. And if you trade on assets like oil, then also please be careful, because oil is also, my god, under extreme pressure. So things are not very normal. This week is going to be very special because of the ongoing geopolitical tension. So better hoga थोड़ा दूर रहिए. Bye bye, take care.